Alright, so what I'm doing here, guys, I'm pretty much just scramble washing my hair right now, just getting all the dirt and scum out. Now, keep in mind, if you are just beginning, you're like a beginner waver, do not scramble wash because you will mess your waves up. You will lose your waves, lose your progress. But if you got your waves locked in, then of course this is a great way to clean out your hair. Later into my washing style, I began to use the hair detangler. This is a good tool to use when it comes to scramble washing. It helps massages the head to get the blood flowing to your head. Make sure all the chemicals in the shampoo is pretty much working good. Alright, so I'm using a comb to comb my hair, get deep down into my waves, to make sure that it's stretching my waves out. And also keep in mind that the comb is a good tool to move your hair, your crown area. It's definitely good for your crown area, and it's also good for just stretching waves out. And what better way to do that is while your hair is wet. Alright, what I'm doing here is pretty much combing my hair back to detangle any hairs that may be caught up or any waves that may be caught up. Like I said, the comb is good to get deep down under your hair and just loosen it up a little bit. Alright, so the second go around, I like to use tea tree oil to clean my hair. Now, tea tree oil is very good to use during the washing style. I always like to use it during the second go around. So when I do my third time, I just like to brush and clean it all out. So this is the best way to use it. Alright, so this will be my third time putting some shampoo in my hair. Now, this is pretty much used to just brush my hair in the desired way that it's supposed to be. No more scrubbing or no more using the detangler. I'm just gonna use the brush and get all my angles right. Make sure I'm brushing correctly. Make sure I'm brushing slow enough to get everything positioned correctly, because a washing style is very important when you brushing your hair. That's probably the most important time, is to take advantage of that washing style. So that's about it. Now, the crown area is just as important as all brushing all the way around your head. Make sure you paying attention to details when it comes to brushing your crown area, because that's gonna make your waves look even better when your waves are matching your crown area. All right, so just make sure you're taking care of the crown area. Also, I forgot to tell you guys, make sure that your crown area be the last thing that you take care of before you put your do-rag on. What I'm doing here is laying down my hair with my hands, trying to make sure that everything is prepared correctly before I put my do-rag on. this is the results of my washing style. Now, keep in mind, guys, you can see a few things that's kind of messed up, but I would say it's kind of the polyester do-rag that I put on. Usually when I put a silky do-rag on, it comes looking out good, but keep in mind, this is just something new I'm trying. The polyester, it seems to be easier to wash out than the silky, so probably gonna try the silky next time and let you guys see what the progress is. But you can always just brush everything in the correct way afterwards. And pretty much the next video, I'm probably gonna show you guys how to actually put the product in your hair after you do the washing style.